From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a warm forecast as we move forward, and it looks like we do have a change on the horizon. It's about a week away, and then November is going to come in with a little bit of a chill in the air. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. So let's take a look at the water vapor imagery across the area today, and we're being dominated by a ridge of high pressure that is situated over by the Gulf of Mexico. Low pressure troughing in the west, so this is a warm pattern for the east, and for us back to the west, it's a cold pattern as you get up across portions of the Rockies and the northwest of the United States. So that's the way it's looking right now. Some high clouds across the area. This is from actually what we had, some high clouds yesterday and the day before from a decaying hurricane out in the Pacific. Now some of that moisture's crossed over into Texas, but we're not getting any love from that system. And then you go back up into the northern Rockies. You have winter storm, winter weather advisories in the blue, winter storm warnings in the pink. So it's winter somewhere. Here it's late summer as high pressure ridge along the east coast is allowing for breezy southeasterly winds. And with those breezy southeasterly winds, we do think fog is going to have more of an issue on developing as we head through the overnight hours. And a quick check of Power Doppler 3, Acadiana's Doppler radar. All is quiet here, picking up on some cloud streets showing up where the clouds kind of move along with the moisture in the Chaffalay Basin, and then they bank up right near Parks and Breaux Bridge. So you see some clouds there, but that's all we're seeing is just a few clouds this afternoon. As for the tropics, there's another tropical storm. This is Otis. This was the remnants of Norma, by the way, and a new tropical depression forming by Nicaragua this afternoon, the 21st one of the season. This is not going to develop but bring locally heavy rains to Central America. And then we have Hurricane Tammy out here still holding on, at least gaining some latitude away from the islands, but still producing some locally heavy rainfall earlier today. Now still a hurricane with 75-mile-per-hour winds, and is expected to stay a hurricane for another couple of days before it weakens to storm status. It's not going to be a tropical system, but it could bring some wind and some rain to Bermuda along about by Friday or into the weekend. So tropics still alive, but barely kicking right now. No impacts here locally, of course, and we've gotten off with another good year. Mid-60s overnight tonight, so it's going to be another mild night tomorrow. Back into the mid to upper 80s. More of a southerly wind developing during the day tomorrow. So tomorrow night, we're going to be milder, closer to 70. I don't think we see much, if any, shower activity, 5% or less over the next several days. Now, as for the fog, here's the latest graph model giving us where we think fog is going to be the worst. Once again, north of Lake Pontchartrain. Be careful if you're traveling out here. It's going to be quite thick. And in Acadiana, it looks like it's going to be along and north of the I-10 corridor. It'll be breezier the coastal parishes, so we might have some fog and haze moving in. But as you get further inland, those winds die down because of frictional accounts. So if we're going to see fog overnight tonight, it's mainly going to be across the northern parishes and burn off maybe a little bit more quickly than it did today. Took a while to burn off today. So overnight tonight, mid-60s, your overnight low. Tomorrow into the upper 80s. Notice that feels like temperature right around 90 or 91 for the projected heat index. And then tomorrow night, closer to the lower 70s, humidity coming up as well. But at least we'll have a little bit of a breeze tomorrow going into tomorrow night. So fog perhaps even a less issue going into tomorrow night. Mid to upper 80s again for your Wednesday. So overnight tonight we'll go 66 to the low as fog develops late in spots. Maybe not as thick as this morning, but we'll keep it in the forecast and we'll watch the trends. We'll update you accordingly as we see observational trends change, and that's usually by 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. Then tomorrow, another mostly sunny and seasonally warm day. There's going to be a nice south to southeast breeze at about 8 to 14. So that's going to take a little bit of an edge off that late summer heat, but nonetheless, it's shorts and t-shirt weather for the rest of the week and into the weekend. Highs in the upper 80s. Next front gets here right around Halloween. Slight rain chances Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, but no higher than 10 or 20%. Then sharply cooler. We see highs in the 60s and lows dipping down into the 50s, and those 50s may turn into 40s as we get closer to that next frontal boundary. That's it for weather for right now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.